All right. Stop writing. I'm not going to work. That's why I've written mathematics in the next class. So once you're done here, then exercise I'll send, then we go in the next class for mathematics. So now today we start looking at the electromagnetic spectrum. So when you're looking at the spectrum, it is just a band of what? Waves. We're talking about it contains ranges of waves with different wavelength. So the easiest way for you to know this, I use this mnemonic or mnemonic, so to say akati gauxi, I use this one, ati gauxi vimura, like this. If you want, you can use that. But by example, but you support more, maybe number 2b, about A, number B, you see the exercise. Exercise to be. So you should know. Sometimes, for example, Mama Konda Kuyambira Kumachani, radio waves, going to the what? Gamma. But here I've given you from the what? Gamma rays to the what? Radio waves. But they can even be interchanged. You start from the radio, then come into the what? Gamma rays. They come back on by example. You see the exercise. Or to mostly, they will ask you the differences, the sources of each one of them. Very important. Now, we're saying that it's Gauss Vimra, meaning that the Ga represents what? Gamma, X-ray, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwave, and what? Radio wave. If you want, you can say Rama V. Rami Vu. Vugska. If you want. So we have Matani, radio, then what? Micro, then what? Infra, then what? Visible, then what? Ultra, then Chadi X-ray, then what? Gamma, if you want. Rami Vugska. Something like that. It was it. But like I said, by example, Bakonda Kuyambira Kuchani, Kuma radio, coming to the what? Gamma. Me, I've started from the what? Gamma is going to the what? Radio. So as you are moving from the gamma going to the radio, mean that the wavelength is what? Increasing. So the radio waves have got the highest what? Wavelength, but the lowest what? Frequency. But as you are going this side, the gamma rays, they have got the longest what? Frequency, but the shortest what? Wavelength. So sometimes they can ask you the difference between ultraviolet and what? Visible light. You can talk about the difference in terms of what? Wavelength and also what? Frequency. Ultraviolet has got higher wavelength than what? Visible what? Light. But visible light has got what? Highest what? Frequency than what? This one. So it means it's just vice versa. It's just sometimes you can also talk about the differences. I mean the uses and the sources. Where does this one come from and where does this one come from? You can talk about that. So as you are going this side, the wavelength is what? Increasing. If this is 0, this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means that this one has got 6 wavelength if it was like that. If you are going this side, it means that in terms of frequency, then the frequency is what? 0. Then you can go with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can check, this one has got the highest what? Frequency, but the lowest what? Wavelength. And the radio waves have got the highest what? Wavelength. That is why you are able to hear a radio station in Livingstone. You are able to hear it. Maybe you are able to get it from here to Saka. Why? Because of the what? Wavelength. But the frequency is the one which is going to be what? A difficult part there. Now let's talk about the sources and the what? The uses of each one of them. You are supposed to know the sources and you're also supposed to know the what? The uses. Come in. So the first one, we're looking at the electromagnetic waves, which is gamma rays. Where does gamma rays come from? It will chokes. Sure. And Mama close wavuta. Okay. Now we look at the gamma rays. Where does gamma ray come from? It comes from the what? Nuclear reactions and explosions on the what? Sun. That is the source. That's where it comes from. Then where is it used? It is used in what? Radiotherapy. Manavela about chemotherapy, physiotherapy, radiotherapy. Radiotherapy involves what? Treating of what? cancer. Very good. If somebody finds that you have got cancer cells here, they're going to use what? Gamma rays in order to treat. So radio comes from what? Radioactivity. So radiotherapy, it means it is used in the treatment of what? Cancer. Physiotherapy, it means those people that are not able to walk. Then chemotherapy, chemicals. But radiotherapy is something to do with what? Radiation. Those people that have got my radiation, my cancer, those that are exposed to radiation, they undergo the gamma rays so that they can be treated. Sometimes it can also be used to detect links in pipe. You know what it means, links? Malink means kusuma pipe. Yes. But when I was in America there, I remember when they find that there is a linkage somewhere, they just use the gamma rays to be able to detect that pamene pasuma ni apa. Bakumba chape pamene paja no lungisa no vala. Mu Africa bakumba chonze chiro. That's how it is. Killing bacteria in what? In food. Because it's coming from the nuclear reaction and explosion of the what? Sun. That means that it can be used to kill what? Bacteria in food. Apart from what? Sterilizing of medical what? Supplies. Do you understand what it means to sterilize? Chintunga, for example, razor blade, they use it maybe in the kungambira komundu. What happens? Are they going to throw it? Or maybe those things that they use for operation, medical utensils, do they throw them away after operating someone? No. What do? They sterilize them. That means that they get it, maybe they get water, yeah? They get water and put it there, then they make them do what? Free from what? Germs. You understand the point? From Africa, that's what it means. X-ray. It comes from what? Explosions of the particles in a metal target. When high energy particles, they smash into it. That means that is where it comes from. Where is it used? It is used in X-ray, photographic for broken bones and what? Tumors. But when it's chola iwe kwendo, by Dr. Papatioga, plus that, do they do that? No. You need to undergo an X-ray photograph so that they know exactly where the bone has been broken. That's when how do you know that the bones are like this? How do you know? Maybe you have got something growing in your stomach. Do they just say, hey, doctor, okay, but hey, papa ni tumor. So do they do that? No. You need to undergo an X-ray. Then after that they check. So X-ray they use it to check it. But again, when you're exposed too much, it can cause problems to your body. Then we come to ultraviolet waves. These, they come from very hot objects such as the sun, the sparks, even the heat that we're getting from the sun there. That is an example of what? Ultraviolet waves. Where is it used? It is used in security marking. Now, what does it mean? In short, in other books, you're going to find, instead of finding security marking, you're going to find what you call burglar alarms. Like when you like nafika, never like utinika pin on the face, pa door, ni matinika ti na tinika na kama kuna zile spam then door open. So in burglar alarm, kuma gara jabe my shops when they protected by burglar. When somebody forces to open minus entering the pin, what will happen? The alarm is going to go on as a result of they want to call security marking. So, and then apart from that, in other books, you find that it is also used to detect counterfeit products. Apart from that, it can also use in automatic door openers. Like the door for the bedroom. That's what it does. The way I approach it's my place. So that is how most of the doors are. The moment I just approach it, it opens, then I enter, then it closes behind me. So when you go to the mosque, the moment you are approaching the door, what happens? The door automatically opens. Means that when it opens, it means you can pass. Means that it means that it has got a detection somewhere. Mean that maybe this is the door. The ultraviolet is somewhere there. The sensor is there. So the sensor is able to detect any object that is 1 meter away from the door. Automatically does what? It opens. That's how it is. Whether it will still open. That is how it is. Even when you go to Mapik and Paper, Japatiu, you people you say they got tiu because they got tiu. And so, but they use that. Even when you go to airports, when they want to check if at all you have got any foreign, and when I was going to America or to China that day, they were able to screen my body. There's something. What they use there is what? Ultraviolet. So to detect counterfeit products, they use also ultraviolet. But apart from that, it is used in security marking. So the camera burglar alarms, my alarms, any security marking, it means to protect some objects, they use ultraviolet. Sometimes it's also because it is hot, it is coming from the sun. Now brazier, the heat that comes from the brazier, that hotness of the brazier is what you call ultraviolet. So again, it is used to kill bacteria in food, sterilize medical supplies. Mwenga chape poto, mafaka pamuliro, manzi yapya, mafaka mono topakamu, medical appliances in the end they are sterilized, they are made free from germs. We come to visible light. Visible light is the light that comes from the sun, bulbs, candles, lamps, everything that enables you to see. So in short, visible light enables you to see. It enhances vision. Even something which is very hot. That's why very hot object. When something which is very hot, you are able to see. Can you be able to see? Yes. Maybe when can you see on the Baula? Yes, you can. Ngati okay one amalaiti amaenda usiku ngataenda amalaiti usiku ukakoshe mbaula then ukaenda kuzaona zamu usanika simungateke ndembaula wenda usanika kumene uenda you don't do that. Mama Africa. Anything which is hot, now even stove ngati yaka, you can be able to set iyo at least around, but not maningi, but just something that is around, you're able to see. Stars, you're able to see. The moon, it can be one of those. Hot metals, infrared lasers, all those that is the source of what? Visible light. The importance is that it is used to enhance vision. Apart from that, it is also used in surgeries. When somebody is being operated, maybe one of the doctors or nurse had light vendors. We have seen that before. Yeah. Oh, they want to see in case was a screwdriver, a razor or what they are using. Infrared radiation. It comes from warm or hot objects such as the sun and infrared lasers. It is used in heaters. Heater? Heater is very good. Also, but the most common one, it is used in TV and video remote controllers. That's why it is not advisable for you to get a remote. Once you put batteries in that remote control, you activate. Once more than batteries, then you press a button. For example, my DSTV remote controllers. It means that it means you have activated the infrared there. So once you keep on pointing maybe towards someone's skin, that one can cause cancer. After 5 years cancer, no, that is infrared. It's very, very, very nice. Sometimes it is used to cook food. Apart from that, night vision. Night vision, which understand that. People have watched movies whereby even though it is dark, people are able to wear some certain goggles, but they're able to see where it is dark. And we used to wear that in China most of the time. But you understand that you have watched the movie where they're putting on those eyes. They're able to see, but when they're not able to see. You've seen that? Very good. That is what you call infrared radiation. Microwave. You know what a microwave is? It is microphone, microwave, micro speaker, So the wave is micro, but it's a microwave, but it can be used also in sending signals, my phone signals. Apart from that, also the micro oven that you know, you people. It is a man-made. The sources are short wave radio transmitters, cell phone communications, and also microwave ovens. What is it used in? Cooking what? Food. You can cook in Shima. I cooked in Shima once in the microwave. It's mine. I put it there. I put it back there. I cooked in Shima. You people don't know a microwave, that's why you're saying. Maybe my neighbor. I'll show you picture pa Google. Communication what? Satellite. Why using the phone? That's why, according to scientifically, I don't know if this is proven or maybe it's a lie that I'm telling you. I don't know. Scientifically, they have proved that a person, the normal time, mathematics makes us with science. The normal time for you to speak on the phone close to your face, to close to your skin, is what? 14 minutes. Yeah, normal time. 14 minutes. Why? Because also sometimes when I'm up my messages, I tell some waves are passing me. Shall make sure that the phone is away from you. Shall you're never doing that. Hey, maybe it's Wednesday, maybe by 2000 or by 2005. You don't understand. But it's about dara. There was at one point they were saying that some waves that are passing, so do not maybe be near with your gadgets, my phone. Very good. So, but normal to your skin, because phone is a wave, and when the phone waves, that's why you're not supposed to be to be talking on the phone. Why? Because that is a wave. There is an interference. Maybe phone, maybe a podika, maybe yes. Even when you're calling a phone call and the radio, once you are nearby, what will happen? And phone ya leader, what is panika radio, papa fupi, so maybe move to station. It means the more you are moving away from there, the more that noise is what is stopping. That means that there is an interference. So you are not. So 14 minutes is normal. Not 22 hours. No, talk, you talk. Kati, you kati. That's why I'm going to pay me. Especially when the relationship is in the early stages. Can you tell me something nice? You too. Guys, start talking about education, guys. So 14 minutes. So you're not even supposed to be sleeping with your phone closer to your skin. Chanchani and not kina. Manavela but muntu maybe anao kacha pembeni zinatuma headset anapoli. Manavela but yes, for headsets it's a wave. Guys, that is the sound that is coming from. How does the sound move from the phone into the headset? It's through what? Waves. Those are waves. So as a result, that's why if you're charging your phone, while you're plugged your headset, kumangara mona kebu dizimura. Kulifu kutu headset tuma dizimura. Utoturi na mameto yes, they are able to dizimura you. They are able to give you the shock. Next class. So they are able to give you an electric shock. So it is not advisable. Put your phone 1 meter away from where you are sleeping. Okay, so apart from that, radar and also night vision. Radio waves, they come from radio and TV transmitters. What are they used for? They are used in radio broadcasting and TV broadcasting. Hapa Muswata, Muzai want exercise. A lot of questions, they come under this. Very simple questions. Okay, we move to the last part, which is the properties of electromagnetic waves. These are the properties of all the electromagnetic waves, be it gamma, X-ray, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwave, radio. All these properties are the same. And that all the electromagnetic waves are what? Transverse wave. We did yesterday, we said examples of the transverse waves are what? Radio waves, and all in brackets, electromagnetic waves. So all these are part of examples of transverse wave, meaning that their particles vibrate at right angle to the direction of the wave. They are able to pass through a vacuum. Where is the satellite? Where can you find the satellite? It is in the in the space. In the space, is there air there? No. So, but waves are able to travel. Mona, if this is the earth here, you're going to my phone, you're going to my phone. Iwe uri ku other side. Let's say an example, chabe. Iwe uri ku other side. But when you call someone, but when you dial, does it ring? No, it will be maybe between my Chinese phone, it will be showing when I'm connected. So connected means that it is looking for someone. There is a satellite in the sky there. Means that it goes to the satellite there. Then from there is a receiver to my satellite, to my tower, to my transmitting tower. If every area has got my transmitting tower to each other. So it means that the moment I call connecting or dialing. Once it locates someone, what has happened? It connects and the phone starts ringing. You don't call permanent, but then it starts to ring. No. So this is in the space there. So it means that these waves are able to pass through a vacuum. They transfer energy from one place to another. As you are making phone calls, is also the energy, is also the battery draining in? Yes. The more you call, the more the battery drains. Why? Because some energy from your phone are transferred in order to transmit the wave. The waves cannot be transmitted minus energy. They all move at the speed of 3 times 10 to the power 8. This means that they move at the speed of 300 million meters per second. When you round off this to significant figures of standard form, the point is equals to why? It will start moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why we have 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second, or it can be 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. It's okay. All of them, they won't give you the speed, but they can tell you to calculate. They'll give you maybe the frequency, and then they'll tell you to say, can you find the wavelength? But you're supposed to know that all these waves that have got the speed of this. They won't give you the speed. They won't tell you to find the speed, but they can sometimes ask you a question to say, what is the speed of the radio waves? Like that. They ask questions like that. Then the equation V is equal to frequency times lambda. What we looked at yesterday is applied to all of them. If you are looking for frequency or wavelength, you use this equation. Now, there can be some harmful effects of electromagnetic waves. Microwaves causes internal heating of the body tissues. Infrared radiation causes skin burns. And then ultraviolet, which is coming from the sun, it causes skin cancer in fair-skinned people, e.g. Mr. Spanner. They are fair-skinned. So sometimes they don't like Kazuwa Maningi because of that. But in more black, it's okay. You can absorb. You're black. Nothing. But as who are American type of color, we suffer. That's why you find that a lot of my white people sometimes color red or so. You find that when they're exposed to too much of sunlight, it causes that skin burns. But infrared causes that, but this one causes also cancer in fair-skinned white people. So you see, black people, the same. Only us. X-rays damages cells and causes mutation. If you're exposed to X-ray and it's not come up, but my X-rays, too much exposure to that is very dangerous. It causes mutation. Now, mutation is whereby maybe you have a child who's deformed, meaning that because of the cells, they have Down syndrome. Must have a Down syndrome, right? Very good. It means that there is a change in the DNA structure. Besides, there is an outer in the DNA, so as a result, each in the dear man, has got maybe a certain deformities. It means that somebody was exposed to X-ray. Others, even albinos, they come. Why? Because there is a mutation, gene mutation. You learn more in biology when we reach to biology under mutation. Again, the gamma rays also damages the cell, causes mutation, which can lead to cancer and some cell death. Sometimes those cells can be killed. So you can be exposed to them, but you don't have to be exposed to them too much. As a result, there can be somewhat harmful effects there. Now let us look at a certain question, and then from there we'll call it a night from there. I'll just draw a thinking apart, then I'll be reading the questions that are there, then we'll answer it together. Anyone with a Dafloid for chemistry? Question there. It is just saying that the first question, which is 2017, check everyone with my Dafloid 2017 physics. Name the components. If you can check the diagram, how are they moving? There is K, L, M, visible light, ultraviolet, N, O. Where are they moving? Are they moving from the radio to gamma or from the gamma to the radio? Voila. Wakati wa kuona parishani ultraviolet then what? NO. Ultraviolet then NO. Ultraviolet then what? NO. So wachoka kuti kuma radio. Wachoka kuma radio. Find out. After ultraviolet, kuli yabidi ma radio wave. Now look at me, kuli ma yabidi when you check there where ultraviolet is, how many are they? Oku kuli ngati yabidi. Manje oku kumbuyo kuli ngati visible, infrared. There are about what? 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So have you seen that? Very careful. Nkaona face at KLM, visible light ultra. Is it ultra visible, but what visible, then what ultra. So that means that bambira what visible light, then what ultra. So kapinda mkila. So kabila kuma rate. Wakaona manje. Then the first question we say A they are saying name the what is the name of component N? Component N. What is N? After ultraviolet, what one? X-ray. B, give one practical use of region M. One practical use of region what? M. And what is M? Microwave or infrared? Infrared. This is infrared. Then what? Micro. Then what? Radio. So it's radio, micro, infra, visible, ultra, X-ray, gamma. So what is one practical use of M? It is used in what? TV and video remote what? Controllers. That is the practical. But practical use. It is used in TV, stroke what? DVD or video. Video remote. Remote what? Controllers. Then C. State one property which is the same for all the electromagnetic wave. One property, any of these properties, any. You can say they travel in a vacuum, they transfer energy, they move at the speed of any. So they move at a speed of what? 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Consider. D. At state one possible source of the radiation from region O. One possible source of the radiation from region what? O. And what is O? Gamma. What is the source of gamma? Nuclear reaction. Simple. Nuclear reaction, or you can say explosions on the sun. See that? That was an exam question. And this was carrying on in 4 marks. 4 marks. Yes.